I'm Karen O'Connor Corrigan, President of O'Connor Insurance. Our agency celebrated our 40th anniversary on June 2nd, 2015. We're an independent agency representing many different insurance companies, so we can always provide coverage tailored to your specific needs at a competitive price. Do you know the difference between an independent agent and a direct or captive agent? We have access to many different insurance companies. A direct agent is employed by the insurance company. They have only one choice for you with one company. We provide a choice of many companies and products. As your needs change, you do not have to change agents. We provide all types of personal insurance as well as business insurance for contractors, retail stores, distributors, offices, and many others. Yes, we even handle life, health, and 401k plans. But that's not all we do. Community associations have been a large portion of the people we serve. It was an underserved market in the 1970s when there were just a few condominiums in the St. Louis area. Insurance companies had policies for businesses and apartments owned by one entity, but these policies did not all work well for condominium buildings which were owned by multiple individuals. Our agency has helped lead the way to specialized master policies and unit owner policies which truly coordinate for the benefit of all owners. Our goal is to make insurance easy for our clients and anticipate their needs before they ask. It's all about service and expertise. Each of our professional insurance agents have many years' experience in the insurance industry. We work as a team to find the best solutions for you. We are committed to ongoing insurance and risk management education to stay abreast of the industry changes and new products for your benefit. At the time of a claim, that's when the rubber meets the road. That's why you buy insurance in the first place, and that's when you will experience our exceptional service, guiding you through the claims process for a prompt and fair settlement. We are here to serve you from 8 to 5 Monday through Friday with evening hours as needed, and of course, emergency contact is available 24/7. Our office is conveniently located on Olive Boulevard, right at the intersection of I-270. Please feel free to stop in to visit at any time or call us at 314-434-0038 with any questions you might have.